of class 11 and Filipino Higher Secondary School, Tacna. I stand before you to speak on a significant milestone in Indian history, 50 years of emergency, lessons for Indian democracy. India has come a long way from its years under the British colony and now celebrating its many years of independence. It is wonderful to see our country enjoying its freedom as an independent country. However, our times can continue to prevail in other ways. One of the historic events that has haunted our country is the emergency declared by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on 25th June 1975. The incident took over a 21st month period, a result of political instability and legal challenges to her election, which led to the widespread suppression of democratic norms, 50 years after its imposition in 1975. The emergency in India is remembered as a dark chapter in the nation's post-independence history, characterized by the suspension of civil liberties, curtailment of press freedom, and mass arrest. Commemorations of its 50th anniversary in 2025 highlight the event's lasting impact and the importance of upholding constitutional principles and democratic safeguards. One could observe that perhaps our leaders and even the citizens ourselves often lose what democracy truly means and stay away from what it hopes to achieve. Democracy is supposed to advocate for equal freedom, fundamental rights, womanhood, and such. The emergency exposed the weaknesses of Indian democracy, but it also underlined the need for an independent judiciary, press, and an active civil society. In order for India to thrive as a successful democratic country, we have to keep in mind that the politicization has no place in democracy, and therefore an elected ruler must rule within the constitutional framework, avoiding personal interest. The government must entirely value and protect the fundamental right to freedom of speech, right to life, etc. The period of emergency is considered to be a phase when India's democracy was put on pause and serves as a reminder of the need to protect the rights and freedoms of individuals. The 44th Constitutional Amendment made the declarations of emergency in the future more difficult and rational, thereby strengthening democratic safeguards to protect democracy. The incident teaches that accountability, rule of law, and human rights are essential to sustain democracy. It is important for every citizen to understand and remember the true values of democracy and safekeep them, so that our country can flourish positively and our collective efforts will ultimately work out to be beneficial for us all. Thank you.